With the flooding, it's reasonable to say that all the saplings are dead, like this one. So we have about 2,060 new saplings that are ready to be planted.
Today, we're planning going today here because this place has been flooded before, and we already did plan before, and now we bring our staff working together to plant it back, replanting back. All the trees been died because of the flooded. Okay, okay. The staff we divide a few groups. Yeah, which is one group is 3 people. So one people you do the digger, and the second person do the planters, and the third person do the tagger. Yeah, this is very important because we will know end of the day we calculate how much every group we planted today. And also the tagging team is very important. How much the tree we replace or we replant from the previous early planted. So we know how much the mortality in this place since it's flooded.
Inilah suka timur ini.
Cantik topik kamu.
Untuk safety, kalau penat, rehat, minum banyak air, panas. Cari tempat duduk, rehat, sejuk badan. Okay?